morning, good morning, good morning. Scrappers, and my little scrappeteers. Hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody's well. Another one. Yes. Let's go. Bright and early. Sun just came out. But I gotta be a little quiet in this neighborhood because they will kick me out if I make too much noise. So that's why I yelled before. Yes. Let's go see what's on the curbside. Let's see. Ooh-wee. It's way too early for garbage man to be around here. So, nope, that's plastic. All right. As soon as I get to something, you know the deal. Stick with me for a little while. Let's see what goodies we can find. I'll turn this back on as soon as I get there. Enjoy the show. Our first AC unit. All right, let's grab us an AC unit. Let's take the cuts. This is, oh, silicone. There we go. We got some cord. Wow, this is a heavy bugger. Whoa. Let's go see. Take a look at this chair. I need a chair for her. How is it? Yeah, it rolls pretty good. You know what? I need one for the house. Yeah, let's take it. I don't think it's broken. No, it's good. It's a good chair. Let's go. A couple of things here. We got ourselves a pipe. Photo satellite dish. I'm gonna drop this off at the house in a little bit. I don't want to damage any of it. And some aluminum. Let's put that in there. Let's I don't want to destroy it. I just got it. All right. Let's put this over the side. And put that over the side. We'll fix it in a little bit. We'll stand it up right. All right, let's continue. We got something else here. Let's see what we got here. Curtain rod. Let's get us a curtain rod. What else we got here? There we go. Couple other pieces. And I left the chair. I left the chair in the AC at home. Oh, satellite fell. All right, no problem. Well, we'll fix that. Yeah, so my friend down the street, he can take the Freon out of it, and I can take it apart, micro scrap it, and the chair. Let's see how good it is. All right, let's continue. Something sticking out of the garbage can here. Is it metal? Looks like it is. Yeah, that's a good looking broom. Yeah, we'll take the broom. We could always use a broom. Take that part out of it. Yeah, we can take that out of it. Whose idea was this? Oh well, I guess whatever works. There we go. Yeah, we'll keep it. Nicer broom than that one, even though that one does the job. All right, let's go. That's something else sticking out of the garbage can. Let's see what we got here sticking out of the garbage can. What is this? Oh, no, that's plastic. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute, we might have a fan in here. Oh, I think we do. We do. We do have a fan. All right. And some fan blades. Looks like it might be another fan in here. There's too many blades. What is this? All right, hold on just a second. Let's put this in here. Something else. No problem. Every little bit at a time. What else we get in here? That's it. And then that's it. All right, one fan, no problem. Let's put this back. Now let's continue. We got ourselves a aluminum ladder. Let's take the aluminum ladder. Let's put this inside the car. I'm sorry, Betty. Inside the truck. I'm sorry, Betty. Baby. All right. Is the old TV in here? Yeah, the old TV's in here. Let's take the old TV. Does it work? You think it works? rain yesterday, so I don't know. Maybe let's put it in here anyway, just in case. There we go. All right. The one I found the other day didn't work at all. So the remote in here. Whoa, remote too. What else? What is this? Dump it. Wow, remote too. That's a plus. All right, let's roll. Right. We got ourselves a fan and a lamp. Lamp, no. I'm not gonna take the lamp. I'll take the cord off for this one. And we'll take the fan. Yeah, we'll take the whole fan. Let me see if I can fix that TV behind the seat so it's not in the way. All right, we'll continue. The TV had a crack in it. We didn't see it. You guys didn't tell me about it. So it's no good. That's why it was in the garbage. Anyway, I looked it over and that's what it had. So I took the time to organize everything. All right, let's finish up. We didn't have to go far. Table or something, huh? Yeah. What do you have there? Nothing? That's a small little table. No problem. We'll take it. Anything? No. All right. Let's keep it going. Come this way and I go to the appliance place, the electrical place. So let's see, maybe anything. Well, there we go. Couple of pieces of metal so far. Let's see what else we can find in there. They threw all this stuff on top. We'll put it back inside. Couple of boxes in here. Yeah. Let's see if we can fish them out. There we go. They have something in it. There we go. What else we got over here? What is this? I don't know. Whoa. A whole bunch of them. Whatever it is. Wait. Got a little motor. Little motor. What else we got in here? Whoa, come here. I don't know what that is. Might be metal, might be aluminum. Nope, not magnetized. So, all right. What else we got around here? What do we have here? All right. Put this in here. And let's see what else. This magnet, is this metal? Let's see. Yeah, it's metal. Alright. Magnetized. It's plastic. Alright. That'll be it. Let's put all this stuff back inside. Let's go over to the other dumpster. All right, that was pretty good. It's better than nothing. Let's go to the other dumpster right down there. What we got in this other dumpster? This one usually doesn't have much. Sometimes it has something, sometimes it don't. All right, let's roll. What we got over here? We have a vacuum attachment. They just rained on me. There we go. No, that's a Swiffer. And a nice cord. I'm gonna have to start another garbage can. Garbage truck was down the street, but it ain't come this way yet. So there we go. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. We got some lights, something sticking out of the garbage can. There we go. All right. Let's keep stacking it in there. We'll leave the bulb. Yeah, they cut the cord. We'll get a little piece. There we go. Little piece is better than no piece. Let's see if we can stuff this through the other side.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I got some bed rails.
Okay.
That are over here on the side.
All right, yeah. There you go. In there. All right. I'm gonna say he got some bed rails there, so let's get some bed rails.
Take mattresses?
No, just looking for the metal today.
Yeah, I hear you.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
All right. All right. Got us some bed rails. Let's just put them in here for right now. That's good. Put that over there. Did we have anything in here? Put that over there. So it's not an armor. We got a big piece of copper. Gee. Oh my goodness. Alright. Let's take it out of there. We'll put this in the truck. Alright. Anything else? No. Alright, let's go. The true way of walking a dog. That's comfy. All right. Right, lady flagged me down. She said I could take that water heater. And of course we'll take the water heater. Very mucky. All right. It's done, then I'll put it in the truck. All right, let's see if we can take those valves off. All right, it's coming off. There we go. That's one. Let's see if we can get this one off. This is the one that always gets us in a lot of trouble. No. Nope. Come on. There we go. All right. All right. Let's put this back inside. There we go. All right. Well, it's just chair work. Yeah. Not bad. I can use it around the shop. Let's try not to break it before we get to where we gotta go. All right. Let's continue. Something here. What is this? It's a light. USB light. Let's cut the cord. Let's cut the cord and take the light. All right, more cord. There we go. when it's just a little shorter. I knew I heard these bed rails flopping everywhere. Let's put this in there and make it tighter. There we go. I don't think they'll go anywhere. There we go. That'd be all right. All right, let's go. Pieces of metal here. Oh, come on, guys. There we go. Come on. Whoops. There we go. Right in there so they don't move no more. Last one. There we go. Oh, wait, we got one more. Go. Come on, get in there. Oh my God. There we go. All right. I don't think that's going anywhere. Let's go. Got a stroller. Let's take the stroller. Why are all these things so hard to... All right, let's take it. Let's go. We got some metal chairs here and a lawnmower. Let's take it. Ooh, Betty, you are dirty today. Come on, come on. Chair's gonna give me upset stomach today. Heartburn. Yeah. All right, let's see what we can do with this. I'm gonna put it right there. Leave that right there. All right. chairs and a lawnmower in here. Oh my goodness. These are heavy. There we go. Let's put this one in here. I don't know if it's gonna make it. Hopefully. Let's get the lawnmower. What else we got here? All right. Let's put that in there so don't bother us anymore. Oh. Oh man, what happened there? Did I do that? I guess I did. Let's get it in there. Let's get that. I think there was an umbrella. Yeah. Just a little more. Looks like it might be. All right. Let's see where we're gonna put this at now. Right in there, it's just fine. How you doing? All right, let's go. We got a TV here, but I don't know if they take this TV. We got the cord. Looks like it's broken. Should we take it? Let's see if we can put this inside. If we can put this inside, I'll throw it on here. And we'll take it. There we go. Yeah, that'll be all right. All right, let's swing this down some. Give me just a minute. Let's get this in here. There we go. Come on. It's not going anywhere. All right. And we said this is aluminum, right? Yeah. I ain't going nowhere. Any bed rails? No, no bed rails. Okay. Put that in there. Let's roll. Nice load so far. Not too much heavy stuff, but it'll be all right. Some good stuff. We got this chair. I got to take a look at that chair. It might help me in the shop. Aluminum, a bunch of cords, stainless. Some more aluminum under there, wire. Ooh, yeah. We did good. For a little while. Just picked this up right now. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. I mean, not every day's a big hit, but we got some stuff in here. Plenty of stuff. So we are done with this route here. Let's head on over to the scrapyard, empty out the truck, get it cleaned out, and continue. All right. See you guys in a little bit. All right. We are here. Home away from home. Let's see what we weigh in. Well, at least it's not that mucky here. All right, 4080, 41, 4080, 41, 4080, something like that. Let's get the first bucket out of here. All right, I guess not. Too much pressure. Toss this over there. There we go. All right, I gotta move forward. And now we got some room. All right, let's unhook. What's going on, boss? How's everything? All right. All right, let's get up here. Yes, yes. I don't know what they did with that.
Clean it all up, move it up. Show up and you're ready.
Whenever she start giving you hell, huh?
I got 10 keys. Baby, come on.
What's that?
Got your good old load today.
Yeah, pretty good. Not until the scrap goes up.
Yeah.
It went up a little bit, but
Oh, so it ain't no more.
I guess it'll go up soon. Huh?
I gotta watch it. Keith might watch the video.
Yeah, you're on the video, man. All right, so I can take you off, no problem.
You do all that?
Yeah. Yeah.
You do it really?
If you don't want to be on it, I can edit and take you off of it, man.
No, you know what? By law, there's nothing nobody can do.
What's that?
By law, there's nothing nobody can do about you.
Right, no, but I always ask anyway.
Because you walk into the mall, you walk into the thing, you're being recorded.
Everything's being recorded.
It's like when people get pulled up,
They press it.
you got all these people out there.
Yep. Yeah, everything's being recorded nowadays.
Yeah, but like you with a phone, and about you, you have to take 6 feet away. So you can record.
Is you're right.
Yeah. That's what they say. I don't want to record. That's what you can do.
That's it. All right. What's that?
That piece by tailgate. It's aluminum.
Steel. All of it is steel.
No, that's not the meter box.
Yeah, all of it is steel. I put the magnet on it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Steel?
Not even stainless. It's all steel.
'Cause I got some over here.
Yeah. No, it's all steel. I checked it. I put the aluminum in the truck. I usually separate it, so. But yeah.
Trying the compressors open.
Huh?
I said, oh, you're trying the compressors open.
Yeah, I cut them open. I got a friend of mine down the street that he takes the gas out of them, whether it's the refrigerator or the AC or whatever it is, and then he calls me, says, hey, it's ready, pick it up, whatever. Or he brings the machine to the house.
Yeah.
If I have too many of them, so I don't have to take them anywhere. But yeah, he does that for me, and then I cut them open. Some of them are, I would say like maybe 2% of them are aluminum, so they're not worth anything, but the rest of them are copper.
Yeah.
I mean, why am I gonna leave it for 6 cents a pound when I can get $3 a pound? Cut it open and take it. I mean, it's a little bit of work, but it all pays off at the end.
You know, like a water pump, where it's like AC fan.
Yeah.
A dude takes them motors apart and he sets the top on a grill, a cooking grill.
Yeah. For that,
Shit to melt or something, burn.
yeah, it's the glue or whatever it is that stuff they put on it.
And he said, once it's so hot, the copper just pulls right out.
It pulls right out, yeah.
Like that, he's doing a grill. He said, don't use it for cooking or nothing. That's all you use the grill for is heat to get the copper out.
Yeah.
He would want me to get motors for him and sell them to him for $1 a piece. I said, man, I'm not selling them to you for $1 a piece.
Yeah, there's some people that buy them.
By the time I told you 50 of them, you know how much money he's gonna make
Of course, yeah.
off of 50, and I only make $50. And he already messed up and told me what he's doing.
Yeah,
He ain't spending that much time cleaning them.
it don't take long. Especially when you do them over and over and over and over, you set them up, it don't take that long. If you do one a day, one every 2 or 3 days, and
He's probably doing 30 a day.
yeah.
He sets them on the
And they got you on both machines today?
No, that one just tore up.
Oh, shoot.
It broke in the cylinder up there. It blown fluid out, and then that cylinder right there just blew.
That's a major piece of machine, too.
Yeah.
That's one of the most important ones here.
Yeah. We need a new one.
See, like, look at all those right there. They just set them.
Tire. Look at the middle tire.
Yeah.
That's a hydraulic fluid.
That ain't no good.
Ate it up. Don't put that in the video though.
I'll take it off. Don't worry.
Yeah, make sure
Let's go see what we weigh out and finish up. All right, looks like 30, 35, about 600 pounds. All right, thank you. All right. How are you? Good. All right, let's go. All right. 4,100 we came in, 3,500 we went out. 600 pounds at 675, still steady at 675. $40.50. All right, so $40.50, not bad at all for a little while. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything that you guys do. Yes. Always say the same thing. Can't do it without you. So Comment, like, share, subscribe, whatever you like to do. You guys do it. Hope you watch the full episode and enjoy yourself just like I enjoyed myself. Yes, we'll see you on the next one. Treasure Coast Scrapper.